Hi and welcome to the second tutorial for the Equestic Academy. In this tutorial we are going to talk about navigation in the Equestic app. In this tutorial we have a few key topics to learn. We are going to talk about the stable, horses, the green button, the results, more and the subscriptions. In the first screen of your Equestic app, when you open the app, you see your stable. In the top of your screen you see your riding dashboard. Here you can see your overall statics. It is automatically updated and count everything you have in the Equestic app. So your horses, the rides, the hours. You see your duration, jumps, transitions, direction, ratio, and below you see all your horses you have in your Equestic app. You can scroll through them, and the last thing you can do at the stable is click in the top of your screen on the clip, and you can choose for connect or scan. So you can connect with your own saddle clip or scan for new saddle clips. Once you've done that, you see 3 stripes if the saddle clip is connected, and you see the Bluetooth connection. The 3 stripes are also the battery percentage. And if you click on the button again, you can see your battery, your signal. You can choose if you want to connect with another clip, reset the saddle clip, update the firmware. You can identify this clip, so if you lost it somewhere, you can click on identify this clip and it starts beeping, so you can find it easily. Or you can disconnect the clip if you want. The second page is the horses. So you can see the image of the horses below in your screen. You can see all the horses that are in your stable here. And if you want to change something from a horse, you can swipe left and you can choose for delete to delete the horse. If you delete the horse, all the data is gone and the horse is also gone. You can click on archive. If you archive a horse, the horse won't show up when you want to start a ride, but the data is preserved. But this is a permanent action, so you can't undo it. Then you can click on edit and you can see all the information about the horse. So here you can change what you want and you can click on save. Then you can click on file management. So if you want to share the file with a vet or a physio or a friend, you can click on the plus button, and here you can fill in the name of the person and the email address, and then you can click on share. Then you can go to riders management, and here you can, if you want, share the horse with a rider. So the rider has the horse in his own Equestic app, and if he wants, he can start a ride with the horse. So you can click on the plus button, you can fill in the name, you can fill in the email, and you click on invite. So if you invite a rider to ride the horse is in their own Equestic app, and they can start a ride with their own saddle clip and their own Equestic app, or with your saddle clip and their own Equestic app. And you can also see the data of the horse in your own Equestic app. Then you can click on remove if you want to remove the horse. Here you have a few options. You can deactivate the horse. The data is preserved, but the horse won't show up when you want to start a ride. This one you can undo, so you can make it visible again. Archive is it's the same. It won't show up when you want to start a ride. The data is preserved, but it's a permanent action. And you can remove the horse, and that way you also remove all the data. Then we go back, and you can see in the right below corner of your screen the plus button. If you click on it, you can add a horse. You can fill in the name, the chip number, the breed, the height, the discipline, and the level. you can click on save and the horse is added to your profile. In the first tutorial I have explained what you need to do to start a ride and to stop a ride, what you can see during the ride and what you can see after the ride. So if you want to know more about that, you can go to tutorial 1. Now I will explain you real short how to start a ride. So you see the green button below in your screen, and if you click on it you need to choose a horse which you want to start a ride with. You can click on start to start the training, and then the training has started, and if the duration is starting to count, that means that the ride is started successfully and you can start with your training. When you want to see the results, there are 2 ways to do it. You can see the results for all horses and you can see the results for 1 horse. The first one is to see the results for 1 horse, so you can click on horses. You can click on the horse you want to see the rides of the results of. I choose now for Milan. Then you have 7 tiles. You can click on the rides, so the last one. That way you will be leaded to the calendar. You can go to the last month, next month, whatever you want, and that way you can see the darker tiles or the lighter tiles. You can click on the dates to see the rides for that date. And then there is another option to click on results. This way you can also see the calendar, but it will show you results for all horses. So in the calendar you see the rides for all the horses you have. So you can see per date which horse you rode, what you did, if it was nice or not. And if you want to delete a ride, you can press on a ride, hold it for a few seconds and you can delete it. Now we are going to talk about more. So you see the 3 stripes below in your screen. You can click on it and you have different options. You can click on settings, subscriptions, riders, file management, stable, clips, about and sign out. The first one we are going to talk about is settings. If you click on it, you can change your personal data, you can change your address details. You can also change your password here and reset all the settings. Click on save before you are going back, because otherwise your changes are not saved and you need to do it again. Then the second one we are going to click on is subscriptions. Here you can see your active subscription and the available subscriptions. If you want a subscription for more than 20 horses, you can contact us and we will help you with it. The third one is riders. Here you can see the stable you have and the riders you have in your stable. The riders can start a ride with all your horses because they are in your stable for all the horses. Then you can go to file management, and if you have shared any files with the vet or physio or friend or somebody, it will be in this page so you can see it. Then we are going to stable, and here you can change the name and address details. If you want to add a rider to your stable, you can click on riders management and it will be you will be leaded to this page again. Now you can see the green button, the plus button. If you click on it, you can invite somebody, a rider, for riding your horses from your stable. So there will be an invitation link, send it to their email and they can have all your horses in their Equestic account. Once you've done that, you can also go to clips, and here you can see all the clips you have. You can also scan for new clips or choose another clip to connect with. Then you can go to About. Here you can read something about the Equestic app and you can leave feedback. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, please fill in the form and click on send. It will be sent to our service desk, and that way we can help you or do something with your suggestions. Then the last one is to sign out, and if you click on sign out, you will be signed out and you will be on. You need to log in again. When you need a membership, you can use the Essential account for 1 horse, and if you want more horses, you need a professional subscription for 2, 5, 10 or 20 horses. And if you share a horse with somebody, it counts for your membership. So then you need a professional account, or if it's just one, you can use the Essential account. When you buy a saddle clip, you always have the Essential account. This is the free account, and you can always use it. It's always in your Equestic app. You have an automatic ride logbook. You can see the time spent in each gait on the left and the right rein. You can see the quantity of the jumps on the left and the right approach. You can see all the transitions you made, the rhythm consistency for each gait, the impulsion analysis per second for each gait, the structure of the training, the calendar for all your rides history, and the data sharing. When you want to see more, you can choose for a professional subscription. In the professional subscription are all the features from the Essential subscription, plus the average diagonal symmetry and detailed diagonal symmetry for landing, push-off and rhythm. You can see the benchmarks with other horses for rhythm and impulsion. You can see the average symmetry graphs, the average rhythm and impulsion trends. You can see it for the last 20 rides. You can see the training intensity, the automatic warnings you will get in your email, notification and personalized guidance. And you have AQ insights, so symmetry warnings and improvements in the identification and explanations. So you will get all the essentials plus professional features. Congratulations, you have now finished the second tutorial. You now know how to use the Equestic app, and if you have any questions you can always contact us. But for now, good luck with the rides and good luck with the Equestic app.